Previously on Onboard Lifestyle. We watched paint dry for 17 minutes, and my dad ate an amazing sandwich. So let's pick up the story and pick up the pace as we continue our refit at the Cabrales Boatyard in Puerto Penasco.
I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago.
With the deck paint nearly complete, it was time to start working on Basic's bottom. We will be removing our gray bootstripe that has been consistently giving us problems over the past 3 years. Our issue has been mostly under the bridge deck, where the bootstripe is continuously shaded. Green growth seems to be never ending, and our decision to just remove the stripe altogether will significantly reduce our bottom paint maintenance. The first order of business is to feather the bottom paint into the bootstripe. This is a massive, strenuous project that will have to be split up into multiple days, mostly to give the equipment and the equipment operator time to cool down from the vigorous workout, which works out nicely because it leaves time to bounce up to the upper deck each day to apply additional coats of wet edge. With the bootstripe prepped, it's time to clean the surface and tape off for bottom paint.
You know, I did volunteer to put up the tape.
Don't worry about it, I got it.
Teal, at one point you're gonna have to unclench and just let me help.
I do. Hey, you do real well on some things. Just this one's a little...
It is hard, yeah, I know. But you
If
you
it's
never
a little
know.
crooked,
You
gotta
never
live with
know. I could live with it.
that. I mean, you could. Okay, I have to live with it.
I'm gonna convince him. I'm gonna do one hole and he's gonna do the other hole.
How about you do the insides of the holes? So that way nobody will see if you make a mistake.
I'm not gonna make a mistake. I'm good at this. I can be my own shipwright.
Look down this. It is just flat as can be.
No, I can do it. I'll do the inside, yes. I'll do the inside. Practice makes perfect, or
Okay.
practice makes better, but I'll do the inside for sure.
Good, because I'm getting tired of this already. Okay, don't worry. I'm not going to look too closely.
You can look all you want. It is fabulous.
Okay, let's look down this. Let's look down this row. Oh, I see a little bit of waver to that.
Get out of here.
I don't know.
Get out of here.
Oh, it looks pretty good.
Pretty good. I think I did just as good, if not better.
Just keep going. It looks great.
First coat is down, and I have to say, that tape job, amazing. I thought that I would, as much as I thought I would miss the boot stripe, I'm not. Adequate. You take that back.
It's okay. I can live with it.
You better.
Just like I can live with you.
Ha 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 ha. You're on thin ice now, buddy.
I'm walking on thin ice.
Yeah.
Okay, so the idea is I'm going to go 2 coats on the top here today. Then tomorrow we go all the way around. This bottom paint's still in great shape, but we want to just freshen it up while we're out.
Well, since we're out, I might as well do it.
That's right. Buy some time for the next haul out. Who knows?
No, don't talk about the next haul. We're not even done with this one yet.
I know, but who knows where we'll be? I mean, it
We'll
could be
be,
Central
well-
America, it could be... Who knows? I don't know where we're going to be.
I do.
Where?
You're on a need-to-know basis. You go where the ladies are.
That's right.
No, it looks good. Okay, 1/4's done. 3 more quarters to go.
Let's deal with the math.
I know, right? I'm feeling pretty good about myself right now. Kind of daunting when you look at everything, though.
Okay, let's check out how she's doing.
Good.
Look at this. No more bootstripe.
Well, one more on the other side.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Was there any doubt?
The potato, baked potato with the brisket. We have right there the pastor. We put the briskets on the top.
Okay, this is your first brisket taco.
I know. What do they call this thing? Suadero.
Brisket.
Have you eaten brisket in Texas?
How can you not have brisket in Texas?
Well, have you done it?
Yeah.
I have.
Okay, good.
That good?
Actually, it wasn't that good.
Thick and epoxy.
Okay. All I saw was the top of your head. Good? You like it? Dinner
Okay.
was amazing.
Amazing. Delicious.
Papa, Brianna, amazing.
Thanks for waiting.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming. Okay, with all my stuff. Thank you.
Yeah.
Today is a busy day. We have been tag teaming all of our projects so that we can get out of here as fast as possible. So today my dad is editing inside and working on our videos, and my mom is painting downstairs. So I'm gonna go see how I can help her. I get to be her extra set of eyes today because we're working on bottom paint.
Okay. It's go time. Everything's taped and we're ready. First coat.
Let's do this.
Let's see how the girls are doing over here. Wow. That looks nice. I know you're working on the sunny side right now, but you're almost there. Then you're in the shade for the rest of the day.
So it's tag Emma's it. I'm taking a little breather and she's going over anything that I may have possibly missed. And then going around the transducers as well.
I got this thing.
A little sponge brush with no handle.
It's so tiny.
Hey, whatever we have to make do with what is here. Keep going. I'm going to take a little breather. grab some water.
And I am super comfortable.
Caught you red-handed
Red-handed what?
with your ball of tape.
I don't know what I'm more excited about, this crisp line and the nice paint job, or my giant ball.
I don't know. You did this side and I see a little...
Oh, what are you talking about? It looks perfect.
I see a little hump, but whatever.
This is the sunny side. No, look at that. Looks good. Happy with this?
Yeah, it took Emma and I a couple hours to put this paint up. Is that oddly satisfying?
I don't know what it... I just love it. I'm telling you, I will keep this the rest of my life.
No, you're not.
Why not?
Because I can have like 2 extra bottles of wine.
I didn't say I'd keep
Look
it
at
on
the
the
weight.
boat.
Look at that weight.
I will keep it somewhere. I will send it to somebody to store it for me. Oh, it's getting there. It's only going to keep growing. We've got a long way to go.
Not much more. We're getting close.
A little more. Well, all the...
Our bottom is done.
Think about all
And
the
so
paint
now
we
we
have
just
to do
got...
here.
I know, but that's it.
I'm telling you.
One more paint job, or tape job. And
One
then
more.
it's painting.
Down here, yeah. But think about on the inside, everything we have to do still. All in the next week.
I've never known someone who gets so happy creating a ball out of tape.
Oh, come on. Everybody gets happy making balls out of tape. Think about people that make balls out of rubber bands or string.
You've done all of those. You even
What's
had
your
a
point?
ball of, what was it, staples?
I did have a ball of staples. We won't go into that. I'm concentrating on my next project here. My ball of tape. This is Floyd.
Oh gosh, I think we have a Floyd already.
Nope, this is Floyd the ball. Getting trapped in here. Come on, Floyd. We're almost done.
The final pull. Oh, you broke it off.
I did. Floyd doesn't care.
Oh my god.
Hey Till and Lynn, hope you guys are doing well. Just wanted to let you know that ours is bigger than yours. And I'm talking about a tape ball. Our tape ball, our Puerto Penasco tape ball is bigger than yours. Just so you guys know. Love you guys. See you guys.
Ryan, what a flimsy little tape ball you have. That thing's mostly fluff and air. This is a Penasco tape ball. It has traveled 500 nautical miles south of you already. And look at this density. Beat that.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. If you liked our video, don't forget to give us a like, and remember to subscribe to our channel. These videos are made possible by the support of our amazing patrons. Join our crew if you can. We are getting so much done on Basic, and we're excited to hurry and get back into the water. From the looks of the growing size of my dad's creepy tape ball, I think our splash date is right around the corner. Come back next week as we knock out more boat projects. See you then!